at my screen through my phone because I am prepping to do a little takeover of Sue from Legacy Fiber Arts, her Substack live this morning. She is on the road. She might be joining us shortly, but I had to get in position and get my background set. So it's kind of been an early morning. I am sitting here. Percy is down by my legs, down by my feet, I should say. So today is a busy day. So after this, I have to run to an appointment, run to the post office. I might do some last minute quick shopping, and then I'm going to come back, pack any additional orders, get them out as well. It's a cold day this morning. George took off very early. He's taking a test about an hour and a half south of here today, and Brian's got a working from home day today, so he's already been on a conference call. Maybe you can hear him in the background on the call, but just in a few minutes I will be going live on Substack. Should be fun. Dinner here, but before we did dinner, George said he wanted to make more springerle. He wanted to try it, so we did. So we pressed these. We got some good impressions. We'll see how they turn out. Hopefully some will. Good morning. These are going in this morning. Nobody's up yet around here, but I am. So I thought I'd preheat the oven, do some dishes, and I'm playing that game where can I get the dishes done before the oven is preheated? Do you guys play those kind of games? I have to show you this one. We had a final piece of dough, so George decided to make a stag. All right, off I go, dishes time. Well, good morning. Rachel here, about to go on the road. Sunny, wintry day today. I am headed to the knitting group's Christmas party, which is just going to a restaurant and enjoying our time together, probably no knitting, but I am wearing my Christmas sweater that I knit last year with the Hillesvåg Vilje. I'm sure I'm pronouncing that wrong, incorrectly. But it is my favorite sweater I've ever knit. Favorite sweater. I even put a really pretty ribbon inside. And I can't tell you how beautifully the Vilje, or is it Solje? I forget which one. It's in my Ravelry project page. But I can't tell you how amazing this yarn blocked out. And I'm not wearing I have a coat in the back if I need it. I'm not wearing a coat right now, but I am off to knitting. Woke up this morning and baked off those springerle. They turned out pretty good. And did a bunch of sock tubing. You know, the older I get with that machine, the more it makes my arms and back just ache a little. So I think I can only do like 1 or 2 skeins at a time, and then I need to take a break, which stinks. Ugh. Anyways, taking breaks is good. So I'm just off. I better focus on the road now that I'm getting out of the neighborhood. But we'll see you. We'll take you along for the ride today. I'm really excited how this one knit up on the machine, on the knitting machine. It's a really cool colorway. I think I'm going to make it so that the toes and the heels are in this stripe, and then as it goes up the leg it becomes more solid, because I think my people will like having more color. I could do it the opposite way, which I think is what's shown in the ball band, and then you get kind of a plainer color. This is, I'm gonna say this wrong, Linus du Nord brand, and for the life of me, I don't know what happened. Oh, here it is. I can actually hold up. Watching Chelsea yarns, catching up with them. Infinity sock. And you can't see in this picture. What is that? There, I zoomed in before I turned on the video. So you see how they did the stripes on the leg, and I like that too with the yellow toe. Maybe I will do that just for a change. And because normally I would do it the other way. Anyways, so Infinity sock line. This one works so well on my machine, probably because it's a little thinner. 100 grams is, yeah, 458 yards. So that's a little thinner. It's mulesing free, which is nice. 75% mulesing free, Tratata chlora free. Oh, I'm reading. Okay. Mulesing free wool with chlorine free treatment, 25% nylon. And it's got this Oecotex standard. So that's a good thing too. It's a nice yarn. Very nice yarn. I would consider getting this one again for my machine. It worked really well. The one I did before this did not work well. And I don't know, it was a hand dye from a dyer who doesn't dye anymore, but I don't know, the weight of the yarn is just a little too thick, I think, for my machine. So I'm forging ahead with some other yarns. This is going to be super pretty. I'm excited about it. The mittens came off the blockers. I should show you my blockers. But here they are. They're fabulous. I have no mittens like this at all. These are going to be so fun. And I think I am going to look upstairs in my studio for some mohair that's similar to that cream color. and do some mitten liners next. Not sure when I'll get to that though. But this Rauma phenol yarn is fabulous. Oops, I dropped one, but they fit perfectly. They'll be so nice with a liner. Oof. There you have it.